Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kani kadai ka kanhon jong ka Meghalaya Bodybuilders Association, ka ba menta kanang pankreasya syan, ban Pynlong ya ka rensan penidoksa, ka bahe hakani ka jelahi borokaway. Apo ka jelam jong Presiden Subhash Chandra Paul, bat ka General Secretary ka Samla Claudia Jessica Bamon. Haka jingi kendo bat kinong pasai kubor haka artarik mentau benai no pra. Arajar kat kendai, kani ka kanhon kelai tu, baya kani kerensan ke ba ontip kum ka 45th Meghalaya State Bodybuilding Championship and 39 State Yoga Sana Championship 2019. On Pynlong haka nyau tarik mentau benai no pra arajar kat kendai. Ha Asom Kristi Kendra Auditorium keberan hapo dan kiti Shillong. Kijia ko ba kani kerensan ke ban sedang nado kapor arbaji seneng. Kin kentop ya ka bodybuilding, men physique, Men's Master, Miss Best Physique, Mom Best Physique, ka Yoga Sana Championship, nakabanta ki kena kan thai bat senrang. Bat hakan ni kasingi kan dan ro ka jengjiet ikiban mi khmat, nakan ni jela, se ki jengkop ki ban salong se ki waipat ki jela jong kari. Haswa wan Pynlong kan kerensan hakan nyu tereng, mentau benai no pra, ars ngi shwa kata hakasan tereng, kan dan ro ka jing kan do lang jong baro kinang simenta, hakan ni kerensan, hakaba on ajing hikai kerpang ro, komno banyat bat penidoksa haransan. But ya kani kejing kendo hakasan tadek on Pynlong. Ha Himan Physical Institute Jail Road Shillong. Nadu kapor sau biji janmiat chaneng.
The most significant part of this competition is that for the first time in India, a woman has been elected as the General Secretary of the State Association and is helping us in forefront. Claudia Jessica Bamon was elected as the General Secretary. Only 3 months back, the National Federation and for that matter, the whole country has lauded and appreciated the forward thinking, our forward thinking. Everyone must be aware that Jessica is an international athlete and she has won the silver medal in the Asian Championships in 2019 at Pune. Since the last few years, our activities had almost come to a standstill for want of drive and initiative. Thus, we have decided to take support of our women power, and Jessica is showing a promising future for the association. The Honorable Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Mr. Mandita Lindo, has agreed to grace the occasion as the chief guest. Our program will start at around 2 p.m. in the Assam Christi Kendra Auditorium, Dhanketi, Shillong.
Men Physique, Men's Master, Miss Best Physique, Mom's Best Physique. It's also a selection trials for National Championship. So there will be Boys and Girls Yoga Championship also in that same day. It's the 39th Yoga Championship. Weighing will be done on the 5th of December at 5 p.m. onwards.
4 p.m. to start.
Okay, we'll start in 4 p.m. onwards.
Jail Road by Human Physical Institution.
At Jail Road, Himan Physique Institution. And I would like to take this opportunity in telling you that Himan Gym Physique Institution has recently completed 50 years of Golden Jubilee. So it was established on 22nd of November 1969. So it's one of the oldest gym in Shillong, and we take pride in being a part of it. So we have more, yes, Apex Bank is with us. So we have more power this time. And we are planning to give the best to the athletes so that they can grow. And we hope that the athletes will understand that and appreciate and come forward. And especially the women's category, I would like to invite them to come forward and, just not to be shy, because this is a platform where you can grow your confidence also. You may not know where it will lead you to. As for like myself, I went to the stage, I didn't know it, I will grow so fast. But then I did because I had a passion also, and I understood that the stage loved me and I loved the stage back. So I hope all the women will, even we have the special we have introduced this new category that is a more best physique. So we are planning to, Shillong to be a fit Meghalaya. That is what I would like to say.